BMC added 1,682 old COVID deaths in the last 15 days here in the city of Mumbai. BMC says that these deaths had taken place in the last 3 months, but hospitals had failed to report these deaths to the BMC. And that is why after the reconciliation process, which is ongoing, Mirror now has found out that at least 1,682 of these old COVID deaths have been added in the last 15 days between the period of June 16 to July 1st this year. So if we talk about the numbers here, on June 15th, the city here had reported 2,248 COVID deaths. On June 16th, the BMC had added 862 old COVID deaths that were not reported by the hospitals to the BMC. So that had taken the total death tally to 3,165. So after that, from June 16 till July 1, if we talk about, the total death tally has gone to 4,629, which means that out of this, 1,682 were the old COVID deaths that had taken place in the last 3 months, but BMC eventually started adding up every day, mentioning as the previous death. So here you can see 1,682 is a massive number, and the civic body here claims that this number might go even high, even more, as the reconciliation process is still underway as we speak, as not all the hospitals yet have given the BMC the data. So what exactly happened with this entire issue? As we all know that the discrepancies in the BMC's death data started in the month of May, and the BMC then started, issuing notices to the hospitals here in concern, the private as well as the government hospitals, that what exactly is the issue with the old COVID deaths, why these deaths are not being reported. Hospitals said that these COVID deaths did really take place between March and May this year, but considering patient did not die due to COVID-19 and died due to other comorbidity, they did not really tag that into the COVID-19 death. So BMC says that is not acceptable. Even if any patient has died due to some other illness, but he was COVID positive, then that should be, categorized under a COVID-19 death. And that is something which the BMC said that multiple warnings had issued to all the hospitals to give this data by 29th of June. So as we speak, 1,682 old deaths have been added, and BMC says the number might even cross 3,000, considering the hospitals, are sending more and more old COVID deaths data to the Death Audit Committee. With video journalist Chandu, this is Disha Shah reporting here for Mirror Now from